Good afternoon, students. So, see that part. We have already started your discussion about the exercise number 8.1. So, here I will discuss some others math from this chapter. Okay. So, suppose if I discuss with you question number 3. What is question number 3? Tell that find the rate of interest when 800 fetches 130 as the simple interest. That means if the principal be rupees 800, interest be rupees 130. Time is what? Time is 2 years and 6 months. Now this is the important for that. 2 years 6 months. So 2 years 6 by 12. 6 months means 6 by 12. That is 5 by 2 years. So you can always be think for that. The years or time always be converted into the years. Okay. Now next part. So we have required to what? We have required to find the rate of interest. So I is equal to PRT by 100. Already you know that part. Whatever required, I have to find out R. So R is equal to I into 100 by P into T. I into 100 by P into T. I is what? 130. That is 100. P into what? 800. Time is what? 5 by 2. By 2. Okay. So you can do the cancellation for here. 2 4 jar. 4 jar. So whatever you can get 130 by 20. 0 cancel. That means 6.5%. Okay. So this will be the 6.5% is your answer. Hope you have understood this part. Not facing any problem for that. Go through that properly. Step wise you can do the your calculation properly, then you have not faced any problem from here. Okay. Next part. Suppose 5 and 1. Simple interest at simple interest, that is rate. What is there? 7 whole number 1 by 4%. That is 29 by 4%. For 2.5 years. Time is what? 2.5 years. That is 5 by 2 years. Is this? That means interest. 2356.25. Now question is find the sum of money. Sum of money which is what? Principal. So same formula. P into R into T by 100. So P will be what? That means P is equal to 100 into I by R into T. 100 into I means is what? 2356.25. Rate of percent is what? 29 by 4. By 4 go to that side. Time is what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 also go to that side. And this is the point. If I can, that is the divided by 100. Any problem? I think you have not faced any problem for that. Okay. Okay. So now do the calculation. 100 be cancelled. Now do the cancellation for that. 29. If I can divide it at 2356. 235625. If I divide it by 29, whatever you can get it. 2356.2. Okay. 8 jar. Okay. 3 6. 2 jar. 5 jar. So whatever your part, 8 1 2 5. So cancel it. You can get it 8 1 2 5. Now cancel by 5. So 1625 into 8. So, whatever the answer we will get it. Interest will be there. So principal. Okay, sorry. So that is the correct. So this will be the principal of this part. Okay. Last, another important math be there. That is the question number 7 6. How long will it take to certain sum of money to triple itself? Suppose sum of money, that is principal, triple itself. Achha. If the principal be rupees x, of course amount will become triple x. Triple x means multiplied by 3. So this will be the 3x. So interest will be what? 3x minus x, that is rupees 2x. Why? Because already you know that an amount means principal plus interest. So interest means is what? The interest means amount minus principal. There? Okay, 2x. Now next part will be there. Rate of percent is what? 13 whole number 1 by 3%. That is 40 by 3%. Now find a simple how long? Okay. So the I is equal to P into R into T by 100. That is I value is what? 2x. X 40 by 3 into 100 into T. The x be cancelled for there. So 2 they cancel 20. 20 they 5. Lost, they are the nothing. Later able to write 1 by T by 15. Okay, 1 by T by 15. So that's why you can tell the answer T will be 15 into 1. 15 years. Okay, so 15 into 1. So that's why you can tell that this is the 15 years for that. Of this math, you are able to suppose if this is your homework, you can think for principal is rupees 100 and this will be rupees 300. Okay, then it will be become rupees 200. On that way, you also will do the same part. I am doing the x because I think it will be easy. Some students say, sir, if you do the 100, I can feel the easy. So whatever you prefer, you can do that. But both, whatever way you can do that math, but your correct answer is same way, 15 years. Okay. So in this way, practice this chapter. Next day we will do that next part.